Today I'm glad to be here to introduce our company and our product. Our company is a packaging factory for 17 years experience. We are especially to produce a handmade box, um, round box, corrugated box, and paper bags. Today here are four products I would like to introduce to you. So let's take a look for this box one by one. So for the first one, it is a two-piece box with lip, which is made of 2mm paperboard and covered coated paper on the surface. And we use CMYK printing on the box lid. Inside is also a coated paper. We print one color here. It is a print color. It is a pattern color. On the box front, here is a here is a logo here, and on the top, they also use spot UV here, and on the back, here is a black printing. It is an introduction. It is like an introduction to this box products used. On the box base, here is one pattern color here, and we die cutting a hole to hold the candle jar, and on the surface we print black to make this box product brand. And on the back we also have a logo here. This is all the information for this box. For the second box, it is a magnetic box. We use a coated paper. It is made of 2mm paperboard and covered coated paper. On the surface, we used wait a second, let me check it. We use the CMYK and one pattern color here to make this box beautiful. And on the box, we use too many hot gold foil here to make this box more shiny. From the box front to the bottom, we use many gold foil logo here to make this box more shiny and attractive customers' eyes to let this box increase the product value. And inside we print one panel color on this area, and also a gold foil logo here. And then for this box, for this part, we use gold card paper, and then made anti-scratch lamination. And the insert, we use 1 cm EVA foam and cover two paper. It is coated one side paper. On the bottom of the paper, it is gold card paper, and on the top, it is we use coated one-side paper and CMYK printing, and then die cutting the 3 hole to hold the 3 candy jar. This is all information for this magnetic box. And the next one, it is a 2-piece box. It is car shaped. It is car shaped. Which is made of it is made of from my experience, it is CCNB and the paperboard here. This one is paperboard and this one it is CCNB. On the surface, we use the paper material is coated paper, and for the printing, let me check it. We use CMYK and 2 pattern color here. For the blue and the overall color, it is a pattern color, and for the flowers, that is CMYK color. And then matte lamination. For the box front, for the box lid, here is a full silver foil logo here to make this box more shiny. And on the bottom, we have a black printing here to make this product introduction. Inside the paper is also a coated paper. They use the same color with the overall box color. It is a pattern color, and for the box insert, it is the EVA form. On the box on the EVA form bottom, it is a silver card paper, and on the top it is coated one-side paper. Use printed one pattern color and then matte lamination, and then die cutting 2 holes to hold the candy jar. This is all information for this box. The last one, it is 24 days. It is 24 days calendar box, which is made of our candy brand Sugarfina. It is also a magnetic box, which is made of 2mm paperboard. And for the printing, let me check. For this box, is all the printing is CMYK color, and on the box front, we use the full gold foil house stamping here to make this box more shiny and in larger 24 days. And for the box lid, it is also use same paper materials. It is a coat paper. And on the box back, we use CMYK color printing, and then matte lamination, and gold foil logo here, and full gold foil logo here, and black printing for the product introduction, and then matte lamination to protect the color, and spot UV here to make this candy more shiny. This candy means we will have 24 candies into this box. For this box inside, we use coated paper to make the small box into the box hole. This function is to put the candy into this box. For this box, we use one panel color and CMYK printing, and then matte lamination to protect the color. And here is a figure notches to make the customers too easy to open this box more smooth. And here are two magnets to close this box very well. This is all my introduction for these boxes. If you have any questions, please contact me at any time. Thank you for your time today. Any questions for this box?